Hi there and welcome to another video where we're looking at gravitational potential energy, commonly referred to as GPE. Now, gravitational potential energy just means the energy stored in an object at height. And you can see here that I've got a kite. My kite is floating in the sky, so it's at height. It contains a store of gravitational potential energy. Now, for your exam, you'll need to know how to calculate gravitational potential energy and the units of the different quantities in that equation. So, gravitational potential energy is equal to the mass of an object multiplied by the gravitational field strength times the height that the object has been raised. This equation can commonly be written as just E equals m times g times h. And we can place this equation into a triangle where energy goes at the top, mass, gravitational field strength, and height go at the bottom. Now, you'll also need to know the units of these different quantities. You should know that mass is always measured in kilograms. And there may be some questions where you have to convert from grams to kilograms. The gravitational field strength is a constant on Earth, and it's 10 newtons per kilogram. And height is always measured in meters. So we're going to go ahead and have a look at a question where you have to apply this equation to different scenarios. In our first question, we're told that a roller coaster cart is 15 meters above the ground and has a mass of 350 kilograms. And we've got to calculate the gravitational potential energy store when it's raised to this height. Well, what we'll do first is write out our equation, and then we can start to substitute the numbers into our equation. So remember, we're calculating the energy, the gravitational potential energy. The mass of the cart is 350. Remember that gravitational field strength is a constant on Earth at 10, and the height is 15 meters. So when I type this into my calculator, I get a gravitational potential energy of 52,500 joules. Let's look at another example. Now, in this example, we're asked to calculate the height. So if I put the triangle that we're going to use, this triangle tells me that to work out the height, it's energy divided by mass times the gravitational constant. So height is equal to the gravitational potential energy divided by the mass times the gravitational constant. I can go ahead and start putting the numbers into the equation. So I know that my gravitational potential energy is 1,800. The mass of the drone is 5, and the gravitational constant is 10. Well, using BIDMAS, we would do the multiplication first, and that becomes 1,800 divided by 50. 1,800 divided by 50 gives us a height of 36 meters. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. Stay in touch for another video.